memorial plaque.
We are moving in the right direction. I'm very thankful that you, the people of the state, have reposed the faith in MDBA government in spite of the challenges we have. We want to do more. I'm very glad that Mendipathar College have been approved as one of the model degree college in the state.
By giving higher education to the younger generation, that development can be brought to the region and the state. So there was a meeting in the Mendipathar as already started by the principal of this Mendipathar College. There was a meeting in the Mendipathar PWIB involving all these educated people, and they decided to open a college which will be named as Mendipathar College.
Honorable Minister just told you that 9 community colleges have already been sanctioned. Just last week I gave sanction letter to the Tura Christian College, where 24 posts have been sanctioned and the cost will be borne by the government. They were extremely happy. Similarly, we have done this for another 8 colleges in many rural areas where our youth don't have access to college. We have started the Rongjeng Model College, which should be operational from next year. We will have our building for William Nagar and Bakar College complete by next year, December. Similarly, we are encouraging our local MLAs. We are encouraging the community that we must come up with more colleges. And yes, as the Honorable Deputy Speaker had mentioned, we need science stream. Our children who want to study science, who are good at innovation, are good at science, good at mathematics, sadly are not having any option. So while we look at all these issues and realize the challenges we face, how do we move forward is the big question. Through trials and tribulations, through difficulties and challenges, and yet been able to reach to this level where you have over 1,764 students studying here in this college. So we must all give thanks to God Almighty for the blessings that He has given to Mendipathar College and all the past pupils who have studied here and the current students who are studying here right now. I had told the people of the state that given the opportunity, we will work towards prioritizing education. Now, while we say that, I am not claiming that we will change everything in one term. I am not claiming that we will transform education fully to what we might want it to be in the coming years. Education has a lot of challenges, especially in our state. There are a lot of structural, administrative issues in the education sector. We have a lot of issues with student-teacher ratio. We have a lot of issues with qualified teachers. We have a lot of issues when it comes to the pass percentage in class 10 and class 12. One of the highest percentage of expenditure of this government goes towards education. Our Honorable Education Minister just told you that in 1 year itself, this year, we sanctioned 100 crores in one go to give infrastructure to 200 plus government LP schools which have been lying idle, which have not been maintained, which are in dilapidated condition, without benches, without windows, without roof. Never in the history of our state has there been a sanction of this kind, and we will do more, I assure you.